My name is Naveen. In this video, I will show you how to download Docker Desktop and install it on Windows 10 operating system. And later, I will also show you how to download Docker Community Edition and install it on Ubuntu 20.04. Ubuntu 20.04 is the latest LTS version. Now open your favorite browser and type google.com. Here you can search for Docker Windows download. On these search results, just click on Docker Desktop. Click on Get Docker and you can download the Docker Desktop version. The file is almost 900 MB, so it will take some time depending on your bandwidth. Right click on the software and give admin rights to run this program. Click on Yes. And if you want to run only Windows containers instead of Linux containers, then you can check the third option and click on OK. But I will not check this option. I want only Linux containers on my machine. I am trying to install Docker Desktop on a virtual machine. I am using VMware software. The installation and configuration will be similar if you are trying to install the Docker Desktop on a laptop or desktop. You can see here Docker Desktop application is trying to start up. If everything goes fine, Docker will be in a status of running. As I am trying to install Docker Desktop on a Windows virtual machine which I am running on VMware, I will get an error here and I will show you how to fix that error. For this, right click on the Windows button and click on Run and type apt-get.cpl here. It will directly navigate to Programs and Features. Here we need to click on Turn Windows Features on or off and select for the option Hyper-V. So under Hyper-V, all the options have to be enabled if we need to run Docker on our machine. For me, this option is already enabled, so I don't have any issues over here. Just click on OK. Now I will shut down my virtual machine and fix the error on virtual machine settings. You have to do this step if you are only trying to install Docker on a virtual machine. Click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings. Then under the Processors tab, you need to enable the first one, Virtualize Intel VT option. Now click on OK and we will start the virtual machine once again. Let's give few minutes for Docker to start up. Now we can see here Docker is up and running without any issues. Now we will open command prompt and see if the Docker commands are working properly or not. Open command prompt and type docker ps. As you can see, the command executed properly. Docker has installed successfully. Now we will try few more commands and see if we are able to pull the images from Docker Hub properly. I will run the basic hello world image command. Docker run hello world and it has executed successfully. Now I will download node with the tag alpine. It's unable to find the image locally, so it's trying to pull it from Docker Hub. To see all the images in your system, the command is docker images. Now I will check if there are any running containers or stopped containers in my machine. Now I will try to remove the Docker container and also the images which we downloaded. For that, the command will be docker rm. Same thing I will do for the Docker images. For this, the command would be docker rmi and followed by the image id. We don't need to give the complete image id. We can give only the first 4 characters. Now we can see there are no images locally downloaded and there are no containers which are either running or with stopped status. Now I will show you how to uninstall the Docker Desktop software. Just right click on the Windows icon and click on Run. Then type apt-get.cpl and click on OK. Here select the Docker Desktop application and click on Uninstall. Then click on Yes. During the complete download, installation and configuration process, if you face any issues, just mention in the comment section. I will try to answer them. Now let's go and see how to download and install Docker CE on Ubuntu. These are the commands which we need to run on the terminal to get the Docker CE installed on our machine. So I'll copy the first one and I'll paste it on the terminal and click on enter. So this command will add the Docker GPG key. For this we need to have curl installed on our machine. You can see here I don't have curl on my machine. I will try to first install curl, sudo apt install curl and enter our admin password. I'll try to add the GPG key once again. Now it's been added. Now I will add the repository key to my repository list. On the day of recording, there is no stable release from Docker for the Ubuntu 20.04 release. So we will be adding the repository and we need to modify slightly. We will be pointing the release version from focal to bionic. Now you can see here I got an error, and if you ran this command and you didn't get any error, it means that there is a stable release now for focal release. You can directly proceed with the next command. Now I will navigate to etc and apt folder and edit the repository file. I will need admin rights to edit this file, so I have included sudo in front of my command. And also I'm trying to edit this file using the Vim editor. Just navigate to the line and change the word from focal to bionic. Bionic is the previous stable release 18.04. We will save the file and exit. Now I have updated the repository file. I will run the next command. Repositories have been updated. Now we will install the Docker Community Edition. Copy the command and paste it on the terminal and click enter. Now the installation is completed. So the last command is completely optional, and if you want to hold the Docker Community Edition version which we installed just now and not to be updated every time we update the repository, we can run this command. Now let's see if Docker has properly installed or not by entering the command docker version. You can see here the version which got installed was 19.03. Now I will try to run a command and see if everything is okay with the installation. Even though the docker version command worked properly, if I try to run docker ps-a command or any other command using Docker, I don't have any permissions to run that command. I need my username coder to be enabled under Docker group. So this is the command here, sudo usermod -ag, Docker is the group name and coder is the username. Here you need to enter your own username. So once this command is executed, we need to restart our machine completely. You can see I can run this command without any issues. Now I'll try to download the hello world image. So the hello world image is not found locally, so it will try to download from the Docker Hub. Now I am trying to download the node image from Docker Hub using the command docker pull node. Here you can see the tag is marked as latest. This command is completely optional. I am just trying to pull an image from the Docker Hub. The image has been downloaded. Now I will check for all the images in my machine. You can see we have node and hello world, and also there is a container which is being exited. It's the hello world image with the name as silly haslet. So the installation of Docker Community Edition is success, and we are able to download images from Docker Hub, and we are also able to run the containers. Now I will show you how to remove these images and the container. The commands are same if you are trying to use Docker either on Windows or on Ubuntu. And the command for removing the Docker container is docker rm and the container ID. And if you know the basics of Docker, we can only remove the container if it is in a stopped status. Now I will remove the images from my machine. For this the command will be docker rmi and the image name or the image ID. With this, the download, installation and configuration of Docker on both Windows and Ubuntu is completed. If you have any issues while following the complete process either on Windows or on Ubuntu, you can just mention it on the comment section. I'll try to answer them. And if you like this video, please like, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel, me Aliu. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the next one.